Hi! In front of me is CHUWI HiPad X, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this tablet. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon and tap on it. If you can't find it over here, you need to click on this pen icon at the bottom left corner of your tab menu. Then look for it here and drag it to the tab. Then let go back, and finally click on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that location is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same icon. But you can always go into settings as well, scroll down and choose location section here. After that, manage location by tapping on this switcher next to use location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!